Okay, welcome to framing. Now, framing, as we said, is complex. So we're going to start here with, after the introduction, we're going to go into framing of the flooring. Okay, so with this current plan, this is a rough budget. So with our current plan, we don't know exactly what the structurals are going to ask of us, right, from our engineering, but we anticipate. So this is what I'm going to do. The garage is slab, right? So we don't have to worry about flooring in the garage because the garage will be poured on grade slab. That means these walls will just be right on grade, right? We'll frame them out. So let's not worry about that since we're on flooring. So what we need to do is figure out the areas which will box out for our TGI. And the easiest way to do that is I do this box. So this will likely be, we'll have this box here that will frame out the floor, okay? And then we'll have this box here that will frame out the floor. Now, since it's natural, our joist will run this way, okay? 16 inches on center all the way through, TGI 210s. So if it's 41 feet across here, we need a coarse sill plate. So sill plate goes against the concrete. It's at the top of the wall, and what it does is it's pressure treated lumber so that it does not rot. And then on top of the pressure treated lumber, the joists go. Okay, we set right on top of the pressure treated lumber. So what we'll do is we need pressure treated lumber to wrap the entire perimeter. Okay, so we'll add all that up right now and see what that is. And here we go. So we have materials. We have 120 lineal feet of pressure treated 2x6 by 10 footers. Okay, we need 14 of them. We add a little extra. That's $220. We need sill seal. That is a foam that goes in between the pressure treated lumber and the concrete. The transit, $50. I just always put it in there because you have to buy a new transit every 20 homes or so because someone steals it. We have steel shims to go ahead and make sure everything is level. Those are $50 a box. Regular 2x6x8s. Okay, this is for doing some the roof framing, okay? But for the floor, we need 120 lineal feet of pressure treated 2x6 by 14 foot. We need the sill seal. We need the transit, shims, okay? And then next, we need the TGIs. TJIs. 210s, okay? And we need to figure out how many of them, right? So if we have 41 feet across here, and it's 30 feet across here, right? It ended up being 31 feet. So what we'll do is we'll probably have a break in the middle and a couple posts. And I know that just because a 30-foot span is a little far. Your engineers usually like a 15 to 20-foot span max. Anything over 20 feet, they want you to break it up. So we'll have a double microlam here. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 posts. 5 posts, probably every 10 feet or so to carry that microlam. So I'm going to go back because I know structural. So again here, we're going to have TJ 210s. We're going to have, let's count up the 210s first. We'll do those here in a minute. Okay, the 210s, I don't know how many we need, but we do need 5 posts. The metal posts are about $100 a piece, $100 a pop. So we have 5 posts. We have 2 microlams for center support. $80 feet, right? Because it's 42 feet. So let's go 82, 41 times 41. 82 because it's going to be a double microlam. Okay, so that's 2 microlams, 82 feet. That's going to be, it's about $2.50 a foot, so I'm going to round up to $3 a lineal foot for those microlams times 82. It's going to be about $240, okay? So I'll go $240 there. Now, That's the posts and the micros. Now I got to figure out the TGIs. So we'll have a span in here, since this is 31 feet. We'll just say two 16-footers to get across, right? Two 16-footers. So two 16s. So 2 times whatever this width is, 41 feet, divided by 1.3, which is 16 on center. 41 divided by 1.3 is 31. 31. So we need 31 to span it. 31 spans. That's 62. Does that make sense? So we need 62 16-footers. 62 16-footers. Okay, now they're about $1.70 a foot or so. So we'll just round up to 2. Round up to 2. So $2 a foot, 16 times 62 is 992 LF. 992 times 2 is 1,800, so we'll just round up to $2 grand. Okay, does that make sense? Now, we do need nails, right? Gun nails. 65 a box, 55 a box. Okay. So there you go. That's the decking for there. Now we need to go to, we have this side right here, and we still have the microlam all around the perimeter. Microlam all around the perimeter. So let's get this side. We have 21 feet by 28 feet. That's going to be 21 of these, and then we'll span this way, 21 feet. Okay. 21 and then span that way. And then we'll have a double microlam on this side to carry underneath. So we need 2 more microlams for this span, which is it's 11 feet off of 28. So that makes for 17 feet. So a double 17-foot microlam. Okay. 2 17-foot microlam for support on master, shared support. Okay, so 2 17-foots, that's 34 feet, right? And we were saying the microlam is $3. So 3 times 34, might as well just call it $100. Okay, so that's 100. Now we need how many? 21 TGIs, 21 foot. So 21 times 21, that's curious. 21 equals 441 LF at $2 is basically $900. Okay. Now, do we need any brackets? No, not the way we have it laid out. Not the way we have it laid out. And the reason why we don't is because this is supported from below. This will be built into the actual stem wall. We'll have a pocket here and here. And then that microlam will be just below the floor, and it'll carry the load for these runs right here. All those TGIs. Now what we do need to do, though, now we have all these runs going this way and these runs going this way. I hope you're clear. Now we have to get our decking. So our decking is going to be, it's what you put over your joist. And in this case, it is 3/4 inch tongue and groove plywood 4x8 sheets, 4 foot by 8 foot sheets. It's basically 35 a sheet with delivery, okay? And how many square feet do we have? Let's check it out. So here it's 31, okay, by 41. So 31 times 41, that's 1271. 1271. So I'm going to put 1271 main. And then we have In this area, it's 28 by 21. 28 by 21. So 21 times 28 equals 588. 588. And then 588 for master slash foyer. Okay, that total is 1858. Okay, so 1858 divided by 32, which there's 32 square feet per sheet, is 58 sheets. Now we need some extra. We always add 10 to 20%. So I'm just going to say 70 sheets. Sheets total times $35, right? So 70 times 35 equals 2,450. Expensive, right? Glue. We need glue to glue down. We'll need a box. We'll just call it 120. We'll need a couple boxes. And we already got our nails. So now we're just looking for the rest of the rim material. Okay, so our rim joist, if you remember right, is this right here. It goes all the way around our perimeter. So here, 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 right? All the way around. So we have, let's just add this up. We have 41 feet plus 31, that's 72, plus 41 is 113, plus 11 is 124, plus 21 is 145. 145 plus 28 is 162. 145 plus 28 is 173. Sorry, 173. So that wraps that completely. Now you ask me, do we wrap this side? Do we wrap this side? Yes, we do. So 173 plus another 21. That's 194. And then do we wrap this side? Yes, we do. Any separation from garage or a different level, and this will be slab on grade, so it'll be different. Now, how far is this? It's 8 feet off of 22, so it's 14 feet. 14 feet. So plus 14, so 208 total lineal footage of 208 total lineal foot of microlam. Okay, let's put the LF, and microlam's $3 per, so let's just round up, 700. Okay, so that's how we do it. I hope that makes sense. We now have, that's the flooring, so that's how you do the flooring. We didn't have any areas where we had an open area. Like if there was a stairwell going down, then we'd have a double rim, and then we'd have hangers for the joists where they weren't supported from below, from a stem wall. But we don't have any openings like that. But something to take into consideration where you do have openings and you do have a need for hangers that's not supported from below, remember to put in your hangers. And we'll see you on the next one, which we'll do exterior wall.